Feeling stiff after sitting all day? Want to unlock your full body mobility, improve your posture, and boost your energy all in just 20 minutes a day? Stay tuned, because today, I'm going to guide you through a complete, science-backed stretching routine that anyone can do at home. And if you want more health tips like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our easy and effective routines. Welcome back to Healthcare, your go-to channel for simple, effective routines that help you improve your health, mobility, and overall well-being. Today's session is perfect for anyone, whether you are a beginner or more experienced, and it will leave you feeling energized, relaxed, and ready to take on your day.
Neck and shoulder release.
Let's start by gently releasing tension in the neck and shoulders. Many of us spend hours sitting at a desk or looking down at our phones, which causes stiffness in this area. Tilt your head slowly from side to side and forward and backward, letting your neck muscles stretch naturally. You'll feel the trapezius and levator scapulae muscles loosening up. Follow this with slow, controlled shoulder rolls, first backward, then forward, starting with small circles and gradually moving to larger ones. Take deep breaths as you move, feeling the tension melt away. Engaging your core slightly during these stretches will protect your spine and enhance the effectiveness of each movement. Regular practice here improves posture, prevents headaches, and reduces shoulder tension from long sitting hours.
Chest and upper back opener.
Once the upper body feels lighter, it's time to open the chest and upper back. Clasp your hands behind your back, straighten your arms, and lift your chest gently. You'll feel the stretch across your pectorals and rhomboids. Then, bring your arms forward to stretch your upper back in the opposite direction. This combination improves posture, enhances breathing, and counteracts the effects of prolonged sitting. You can also try a wall chest stretch or a seated chest opener, which targets different parts of the muscles. Doing this regularly allows your lungs to expand fully, improves spine alignment, and reduces tension between your shoulder blades.
Spinal twist and core activation.
Next, we move into spinal twists and core activation. A gentle seated twist helps rotate the spine, release tension, and engage deep core muscles. Sit tall, keep your hips facing forward, and slowly twist your torso to one side, holding for 30 to 45 seconds. Then switch sides. For a deeper release, lie on your back and let your knees fall gently to one side while keeping your shoulders grounded. Exhale as you twist and keep your abdominal muscles engaged to protect your lower back. This stretch lubricates the spine, supports intervertebral discs, and improves mobility, especially for those who sit for long hours.
Hip flexor and glute stretch.
Now, let's focus on the hips and glutes, which often carry stiffness from sitting. Step 1 foot forward into a low lunge, keeping your back knee on the floor, and gently push your hips forward. You'll feel the stretch in your hip flexors, which can reduce lower back discomfort. For the glutes, perform a figure 4 stretch by crossing one ankle over the opposite knee while lying on your back or sitting, gently pulling the legs toward your chest. Breathe slowly and keep your back relaxed. This improves hip flexibility, enhances balance, and relieves tension from prolonged sitting or workouts.
Hamstring and leg stretch.
Next, we move on to the hamstrings and legs. Sit on the floor with one leg extended, reaching slowly for your toes while keeping your spine straight, and hold the stretch for 45 to 60 seconds before switching legs. You can also try a standing hamstring stretch to challenge your balance and engage your core. Stretching the hamstrings not only improves leg flexibility, but also alleviates stiffness in the knees and lower back. Regular stretching here makes daily movements easier, prevents injuries, and improves circulation in the legs.
Full body flow and mindful breathing.
Finally, let's bring everything together with a full body flow combined with mindful breathing. Stand tall, inhale deeply as you reach your arms overhead, and exhale as you fold forward, letting your upper body relax completely. Slowly roll up to standing. Repeat gentle side bends and twists, and move through the sequence in a smooth, flowing manner. This continuous motion encourages blood circulation, integrates all the stretches we've done, and leaves your body feeling energized. To finish, sit or lie down comfortably. Focus on deep breaths and mentally scan each muscle group, releasing any remaining tension. This promotes recovery, strengthens your mind-body connection, and leaves you calm, centered, and fully relaxed.
And that's your complete 20-minute full-body mobility routine. If you followed along, your body should feel lighter, more flexible, and fully energized. Remember, consistency is key. Just a few minutes every day can transform your posture, reduce stiffness, and improve your overall well-being.
If you enjoyed this session, hit that like button, subscribe to Healthcare, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our new routines and expert tips. Explore our other videos. They're perfect for improving flexibility, relieving back pain, and keeping your body moving. Share in the comments which stretch helped you the most today. Your feedback helps us create the content you need and keeps you motivated on your wellness journey.
Thank you for spending these 20 minutes with me. Keep moving, stay active, and stay consistent with your stretches. I'll see you in the next video. And until then, stay healthy, stay flexible, and feel amazing every day.